In the last video, we were learning about the change in the technology. In that same topic, I will continue. If the production of capacity will continue, if technology changes only of one product, definitely production of one commodity only increase, not the second commodity. Efficient technology for the production of both X and Y. Efficient technology for the production of both X and Y, if it is increased, definitely the production of both will increase, and now the curve will shift. It will not rotate, it will shift. As you can see in the figure number 6, how it is rotating. It has been increased from 0 AB. This portion has been increased completely. A has to increase from A to A1, and B has been increased from B to B1. This is just the result when the technology of both the product has been changed, and it has made increase the production of both the products, that is X and Y. Efficient technology for commodity X as well as for commodity Y raises productivity of both X and Y. Accordingly, more of X as well as of Y can be produced with the same resources. Thus, PPC shift to the right from AB to A1, B1. What is the slope of PPC? What does it show? Slope of PPC refers to marginal rate of transformation. That's why the PPC is also called as transformation line. It shows the amount of good Y that need to be sacrificed for producing every additional unit of goods X. It is thus can be said change in Y upon change in X. It is also called marginal opportunity cost. With here change in Y is the change in y-axis upon change in x-axis. If we are seeing change in the production of wheat, as we are seen earlier, it was wheat production was 100, and then near changes of from 100 to 90, a sudden change we can see in the rice production from 0 to 10. So this way the PPC changes when the change is mere change in y will bring mere change in x. It is also called marginal opportunity cost. There is no difference between marginal opportunity cost and marginal rate of transformation. Both are indicated by the slope of PPC. Two basic properties of PPC. Production possibility curve has two basic properties. One is production possibility curve slopes downward. Production possibility curve slopes downward from left to right. It is because in a situation of fuller and efficient utilization of given resources, production of both the goods cannot be increased. More of goods X can be produced only with less of goods Y. As both the capacity we cannot increase because resources are limited. In this limited resources, we cannot make the fuller capacity increase of both the products. Second is production possibility curve is concave to the point of origin. Point of origin is at point 0. Here two questions need to be answered. What does concavity of PPC mean, and why PPC is concave to the origin? Answer: concavity of PPC means that for every additional unit of goods X produced, more and more of good Y is to be sacrificed. It means that the opportunity cost of producing every additional unit of good X tend to rise in terms of the loss of output of goods Y. In other words, concavity of PPC implies that the marginal opportunity cost tend to rise as the resources are shifted from the production of goods Y to the goods X. Technically, it means that the slope of PPC, marginal opportunity cost or marginal rate of transformation, tends to rise. In the next class, we will be learning resources are use specifics by the economics and the actual and potential level of output. Thank you.